Hi, today we're going to be reviewing the Power Rangers Super Samurai Shogun Spear Set. The box is actually a little too big to get into the camera, so I'm going to have to slide it up like this. It is only a TOYSRUS exclusive. Like it says, pull handle to extend sword, which is the metal blade, and insert disc for sounds, which is the bull cannon. Combine metal blade and BULLZOOKA to create the Shogun Spear. And for the box work, there's the metal blade, there's the BULLZOOKA, and that's when it's combined into the Shogun Spear to create a whole new battle sound set. There's nothing at the top for artwork. Let me show you the back side of this. Sorry about that little glare. I'm kind of getting off of this. Like I said, here. Pull to extend sword. Fold to carry. That's the metal blade. Insert disc for sounds on the BULLZOOKA. And then if you combine them both, you create the Shogun Spear. Here's other parts to buy and combine. The BULLZOOKA plus the Black Box Morpher plus the Shiken Shiramaru, or if you know over here in the American version, which is the Samurai Spin Sword, you create this weapon. And of course there's the Red Power Ranger, with his mask shows the Kyoji for fire in Super Shogun mode. There's the BULLZOOKA, there's the Samurai Morpher, the Shogun Spear, Go Ranger's Barracuda Blade, and the Shogun Morpher. Well, it's not really a Morpher, but it kind of turns you into, like you see here, Shogun mode. And sorry about that, the box is pretty big. As you can see, there's a little black and white design of the BULLZOOKA and the Shogun Spear. Okay, time to open up the box. Yeah, this video might be running a little long than my usual video, so I'm not sure. It might be broken up into 2 parts, or it might be one super long video. As you might be able to tell, they did tape it pretty well here. There's about 10 spots right here that they taped up. Which, of course, you need to cut all 10 of them to actually get to the little, I want to say twist tie, but it's kind of like the plastic ones. So you got to cut off all 10 of these little flaps there to just get to the little plastic twist tie. And then you gotta undo like all those ones. Whoa, that was a lot of work. Huh? And we still got more work to do. Actually, these ones you could just clip off with a pair of scissors. Because they're more like a rubber band style. And there's just about 4 spots that you clip them off at. Oh, 5. Nope, 4. This one's probably going to be your hardest one right here to take off. Okay, now we... Oh yes, in this box, well not box, but package, comes with some extra contact stuff that we're going to need. So, you get the holster for the metal blade, and you get the bull disc for the bull cannon. If you can see it, let me see if I get my camera to focus a little bit better here. Yeah, I guess that's good. As you can see, there is a picture of a bull on here. See the little bull? So this one goes in the bull cannon. Like I said, I picked this up at TOYSRUS. The metal blade by itself is going for like $32 just for this metal blade. I paid like $44. I got both things. So it's like getting this one for like maybe 10 hours. Yeah, about 10 hours for getting the BULLZOOKA. So you're saying about, what, 20 I'm guessing? If you buy it as a set. Here's a little detailed description of how they actually work. Of course, we really don't need this because we already know how they work. So, I'm not sure.